Hi friends, it's Nancy. Got a little thrift haul for you. So remember when I posted the other day about my friend mail and how I was looking for a hardcover Lucy Maud Montgomery book? I got one. So I found this today at Value Village. It's a 1950 copy, and see if you can see that. But it's actually written. This was a Christmas present in 1950. Anyway, I paid $5.99 for it, which is a far cry from the $15 that I saw at another thrift store. I got this unopened package of Denison photo corners in baby pink. Thought that was a neat find. I see these from time to time, but never unopened. I got a couple of little Christmas little golden books. This one is from 1980, and this one doesn't even look like it's hardly been opened. Like, the pages are still in really good shape. So this was originally published in the 40s. And there's a way to tell by these letters here, DEF, what year this was printed in. I don't know. I'll have to look that up. Anyway, so I thought that was, I paid 50 cents each for those. I got this vintage tin from Boots Pharmacy in England. I have no idea what seedlets powders are, and the package gives absolutely no indication about what might be in here, except mix the white paper with the blue paper and drink her down. So I'll have to Google that, figure out what seedlets powders are. Anyway, blue tags were 75% off, so I got this polkas for 25 cents. These were at another thrift store. They were 2 for $1, and I got Anna Green Gables cookbook. So it does have some black and white images in it, as well as some old-fashioned recipes. Ooh, ginger snaps. Is there anything better than ginger snaps? I don't think so. And I also got my Little House diary. So it's a diary, but it has these little tiny colored images in each corner. And they're seasonal because it goes for the whole year. So there's December. I thought that was really, really fun. So I'm looking forward to cutting those into pieces. I also got this address book, and it has Victorian looking scraps and images, black and white drawings. Like, look at that. These I can definitely use in, look at that pen. That is so nice. I can definitely use these images in my junk journals. Plus the colored images as well. I love the pens. So these, what a little cutie. These were buy one get one free. So I paid 50 cents, I think. So I had gotten 3 books and I had to get one more. So I got this dictionary, and it's an illustrated dictionary. It's got a bazillion pages, just about 1,000 pages. And some of them, hold on, let me just flip through here. Some pages have a lot of illustrations on them. Like this one's all about fruit. Sorry, let me lift it up a bit. This one's all about fruits. Alright, so I got this ironstone. It's a big jug, and it's in really good shape, and I did not pay $20 for it. Like I said, blue tags were 75% off, so I bought this for $5. Am I getting the whole thing in? More or less. And this little dish, this is uranium glass, and if I had my UV light I would show you that. So it was originally $8, and then sat there. Then they put a $4 price tag on it, and it sat there for another month, and I paid $1. So that's a nice little find as well. I know somebody who collects the green uranium glass, and I'll be giving him a call to see if he'd like to buy this from me. Anyway, so that's my little thrift haul, and now I'm going to get started on a little tutorial for projects using vintage sewing patterns. I was playing with some old vintage pattern papers from sewing patterns, you know, the tissue, and made a couple of creations which I shared on Newbie Junk Journalers, and a couple of the group members asked me if I would be doing a bit of a how-to, so I thought, why not? I've got this new camera, I'm super excited about my new hobby, let's do it. So let me first show you what I did do. So this big tag was the first thing I posted. So it's actually, this isn't a real postcard, it's a printable postcard, some layered up papers, and this is a printed 1930s pattern cover, like the envelope. I printed that onto an old folder and then fussy cut. Layered in some lace, and I made her skirt out of a piece of, well, actually two pieces, they're layered up there, of a pattern, sewing pattern. This is a little piece of lace, and I'm not sure if everybody caught this detail, but this is actually a snap. It's a big snap, and I used a hole punch to put it through the back and hold on to that flower. Inked it up a bit just to make it dirty, and some lace at the top for a tab. So that one was pretty big. So when I came home from work, that was my before work project, I started making these. So this is pattern paper decoupaged onto an old folder, and then I found some templates online which I printed directly onto the decoupaged paper, and then I added the little skirts. This was a printed template to make a corset, and I added a little bit of lace at the top, and then after I got it together I thought,